Yan na nga guys. So dito all of them was playing as sports. They enjoy this part, the moment. Yeah. Good weather, finally, luckily. Yeah. Nakisama naman yung panahon.
Kaya lang, pag maliligo na po.
So, yun. Medyo relax lang muna kami mga siguro 3 to 2 hours, 3 to 2 hours mga ganun. Tropan Leo. So, swerte tayo, medyo maganda ang panahon ngayon. Naka-enjoy lang. Malakpakan pa sila. Server. Ayan na.